Hi learners, welcome to our channel Python Programming. See, concatenating list. Concatenation means merging or joining the list together. This can be easily done with the help of plus operator. Elements from the second list will be concatenated at the end of the first list. For example, let L1 is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, L2 is equal to 5, 6, 7, and if we do the concatenation of L1 plus L2, then we'll be getting the output as the combination of both the lists together. Let us assume L3 is equal to ABC, and here we are doing the concatenation using the plus operators in the order L1 plus L3 plus L2. Now the output is going to be the elements from list L1 followed by the elements from list L3 followed by the elements from list L2. Appending. Appending the elements from one list at the end of an existing list is possible here using the shortened operator plus equal to. Now what will happen? The first list will be modified by means of adding the elements from the second list at the end of it. Now we get the output 1, 2, 3, 4 ABC from the list L1 and L3 respectively. Repeating the list. Repeating the elements from a list can be done easily with the help of repetition operator. That repetition can be done n number of times. So what is a repetition operator? Char. What is n? Infinite value by which the number of times the list element should be repeated. An example, L3 is equal to ABC, and if we do the repetition with star operator with the 3, all the elements from L3 will be repeated 3 number of times. The output for this L3 into 3 is equal to ABC, ABC and ABC. Next, membership operators in and not in. They help us to check whether the given element is present in the given list or not. So in is used to check the presence of an element, whereas not in use is used to check the absence of an element. For example, L is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, and if we check whether 3 in L1, yes, it is true. This statement will return true on your screen. If we check 5 in L1, no. So we'll be getting false as output. Let's see an example for not in. Let L3 is equal to A, B, C. And if we check C not in L3, this is false. And if we check E not in L3, yes, E is absent in L3, and so we are getting the result as true. And very important concept in list is list comprehensions. List comprehension is the technique which is used to generate elements for a new list in an easier way. Let's see an example. Let L1 is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And if we want another list L2 where we need to have the squares of all the elements from L1, it is very easy to use the technique list comprehension to generate the same. So L2 is going to be I into I. That is 1 into 1, 2 into 2, 3 into 3, 4 into 4 and 5 into 5. This can be easily generated by means of using the simple for loop inside L2. So now we are using for I in L1. Now L1 is having 5 elements in it 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The for iteration is going to take the values 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 one by one for the value of I, and for each value of I, it is going to multiply it with itself. For example, first value of I will be taken and it will be multiplied by itself and it will be added to L2 immediately. Next, the value of 2 will be taken for I. 2 will be multiplied with itself, I into I. and it will be added into the list, that is 4. Next value of I is 3, and 3 into 3 is 9, and that value will be added to L2. Next, I is equal to 4. 4 into 4, 16. 16 is added to L2. The last value is 5. 5 into 5, 25, and the value is added to L2. Hence, a very simple comprehension method using this for loop easily. We can do any kind of operations on the elements, and we can add the new elements into a new list. So the output is going to be 1, 4, 9, 16, 25, which are the square values of the elements in L1. Let's see another example, that L3 is equal to x into 5 for x in range 1, 6. Now this range method will generate values 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So for those values, we are multiplying the values by 5 individually. Initially, x is going to have the value 1, which will be multiplied by 5, and 1 into 5, 5 is added to L3. Next 2, 2 into 5, 10 is added to the list L3. Then 3, 3 into 5. Till 5 into 5, the values are multiplied by 5 and added to L3 successfully. Stay tuned. Happy learning.